After you open the package box, you'll see the manual and the tools needed for installation in a small bag. Before starting the installation, please check that all the accessories are disassembled and opened, and then proceed to the following installation steps after confirming that the accessories are intact. Use the large spanner to install the brake to the fork. And next, we need to set the front wheel into the fork. Before installing, please check the front fork to ensure that the brake cable line does not twist, and then insert the quick release device as shown in the video. When installing the pedals, please pay attention to distinguish the left and right. And now we need to insert the handlebar. Use the small spanner to fix the screws and make sure the handlebar is evenly divided. When installing the seat, choose an appropriate height according to your height. But please pay attention to the warning line. It cannot exceed the position of the warning line, otherwise it will be dangerous. Finally, you have your bicycle ready. If you encounter any problems during the installation process, please contact our customer service team.